Hey everyone, Katrina here of KT Cat Studios and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, then welcome and I'm so happy that you found me. Today I was sharing what I created with Shawna Clingerman's Living Christmas for Illustrated Faith. Before we get to my project, I just wanted to share some of Shawna's words and thoughts behind her set. There are so many things to love about the holidays. Every year at Christmas time, a new thing strikes me as my new favorite thing. But that year, something that is feeling especially important in the way of Christmas season always light up the darkest, the coldest part of the year. Here in the Northern Hemisphere, where winter is so cold and so dark, I think after the past few years that the darkness feels darker and the colder feels colder, even ever. So when I saw the fresh evergreens start to fill my social media feed, when the lights down the street twinkle at me at 4 p.m., I can see it in a way that I've never seen before. Christmas is a light in the darkness, hope in the bitter cold. Christmas is a promise for real peace, for real love, for grace and light and joy, even when things feel darker than ever. We have settled into an artificial tree tradition around here, but this Christmas I'm going to be looking everywhere I go for the reminders of the living hope that God sent us through His Son of all of those years ago. I chose to use Shawna's set to grace the pages of my year-long Project Grateful book. The first couple pages are of Hanukkah, where I used my own designs. And then starting on day 7 is where I started adding in the Christmas trees, along with some of the background papers and the other items that she designed for this particular set. I decided to use the tickets that she created for the set right after Thanksgiving to give it a different feel than just using the regular numbers when I put down each date. Enjoy the rest of the flip through for my December part of Project Grateful. If you're not familiar with this project, down below is a link to the original video. Thank you for watching, and remember, messy hands, happy life. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.